We all have our journeys, but final home is same for all. In past lies the hidden secrets of future happiness. Wise is he who understands that he knows nothing. Can we ever decode the mysteries of nature? More we decode, more they are coded. Nature will never go extinct. We will be in process of doing so. She will recover, but we will perish. Heart is happiness, mind is madness. For me, God is the supreme energy present in all that we can see and feel, and also that which we can't. Sometimes storms brings your boat to shore. Every story that we see around us has hundreds of stories behind it. Life is a musical orchestra. Life is a gift from God. When one journey ends, another starts. When love becomes your eyes and hurt becomes your tool of analysis, then the world is shown to you in a way which is extraordinarily deep and divine. Receptive people can find teachers everywhere. Seeds germinate in silence. Faith is beyond science. Beautiful sunset needs clouds, and so is true for life journey. Nature is my medicine. Life is like a boat in a river which is silent at times and windy sometimes. Thus the boat too. Every human being is a doctor for someone. Our journey is our biggest teacher. Keep walking. In matters of deep faith, scientific arguments vanish. Nature is my biggest teacher. God talks in silence. Back to roots with right mix of flying towards sky is real development. From somewhere, someone is watching us for sure. Life is nothing but a live dream being experienced by our souls. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. We are mere actors and actresses in God's drama. Plant green wherever you can. Biggest hunger of this world is love. Good and bad times both don't last long. Music and silence are the two languages of God. Nature is reflection of God and music is His language. Nature is God.